everyone, Steve here from Tech Toy Tinker and Retro Arena. Today I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about this RG300 IPS unit. I've gone ahead and I've made a custom version of retro firmware to go with this device that's got more of my feel on it. The first thing you'll notice is it does still boot into GX menu. That is temporary. The reason why is because once in a while, if you have simple menu set as the default launcher, it'll just fail to boot. So to sidestep the issue temporarily, I just didn't set it as the default launcher. But when you turn on your unit, it will immediately come to that screen, and all you have to do is press A. I've gone ahead and included a blank folder structure along with the image file, so you can use SD2. All that's on SD2 is the games. Everything else is already included on the internal. There are no games included in terms of ROMs. You must download them or provide them yourself. Everything you see in this list here is working. Some of it takes a bit of setting up and some BIOS and whatnot, but it does work. Pico 8's the one issue here. It's not that it doesn't work, it's just that it won't direct launch. See how I open RetroArch? You have to go and load your core here. And then you got to go to Media, and you got to grab a game yourself. So does it work? Yes. Is it irritating? Mildly. But there you go, see. And it'll take you back out to simple menu as well. These are all your ports here. Not a lot of apps installed. I did that on purpose because I didn't want to clutter up the system. I didn't want to have a bunch of crap on there. And so I didn't install anything, basically. It's direct launching the OPK files without ever having installed them, so you don't have to have all that clutter in the way. For arcade here, we got CPS 1 and 2, Daphne, some it's not perfect, but a few games do work okay. And we got MAME, Final Burn Alpha. Here in the consoles. You can see a couple of the artworks need fixing. They weren't in the theme, so I had to add them myself on the fly quickly. But as you can see, we have quite a fair number of consoles in this listing. I added Neo Geo CD as well. For the price point, this can do quite a lot. You have the option to enable the overclock stuff from inside of simple menu. Right, you can't really see because of the glare, but oh, there we go, overclock, auto start. So that'll all be there like that. In a future version, it will just auto launch right into simple menu. And I will also restore Commodore 64 at some point. I do have it working, but it won't launch through simple menu, which makes it a pain. I gotta work on that, and then I'll release it. The only things that are installed here are these two emulators. You can use Taco 8 directly from GX menu also to launch Pico 8, which is why I left it there, or you can direct launch RetroArch. Literally everything else has been removed and it's all running through simple menu. So it's basically a one-stop shop at this point for that. This build is available now. It's on the website. I'll put a link in the description. I know some of you have been waiting for quite a while to get your hands on this, and I'm sorry for the wait, but there were little glaring issues that had to be sorted here and there. And this honestly still isn't the final build. There are still a few things we're working on, and then a more final build will be released. It will not affect your SD2, you just have to reflash your SD1, so that's not that big of a deal, I don't think. But I wanted to release this now so that people weren't waiting and stuck waiting for 2 or 3 months for something if there's a problem or something serious happens. So I decided to release this version now. As always, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.